Deizel here. So today, I really want to go out to ride. I just got off of work, and I've been fighting. Temptations, but my body said no, you cannot do it. I really want to ride today, but my body said no, I cannot do it. And it's such a beautiful day here, and I just don't want to see the day go waste because there's a lot of stuff on my mind I want to talk about. And the best way for me to talk about is just to be on the bike. But unfortunately, my body said no. And when my body say no, you've got to listen to your body and then just let it go. The days will always come. So one thing I love to do besides riding is to hang out with my peepews. This is one of my peepews that I have. So I'm going to be heading out to the range, and I'm going to be dropping some mags over there. And I thought maybe I should take you guys with me. I'm not exactly sure about this range that I go to, but it's an indoor range, which we'll talk about that later. But I thought maybe I should show you guys what I have. Most people know that I love bikes, two wheels, but one thing that you guys may not know is the love that I have for peepew. I love me some peepew, guys. Yep, I call these toys peepew. And I'm gonna head into the range to dump some mags. Yeah, so I really don't have a niche for this channel, You guys know most of the content that I create here. It's mostly my on my bike. I have a Harley Davidson 2023 Sportster S, and most of the content that I create is on here. But I'm trying to figure out how I can add the love for peepew. I believe guns and bikes go together. I made a video. I'll see if I can leave it in the link description somewhere about why people ride with guns and all of that. I had some funny feedback, very interesting feedback from the community. So I'm trying to see if there's a way that I can accommodate the love that I have for these guns, So if you guys you think you guys gonna be interested, you love it, you're gonna love it, just let me know. And I will start doing some some peepews in addition to my my riding. But so today I'm gonna be heading to the range, and I'm gonna be dumping this. This is my baby. Let me stand here so I don't scare my neighbors. Yep, I don't want to scare my neighbors, but basically this is my baby. This is my Daniel Defense Mark 18, chain bed in 223-556. It's fully decked out. I have my EOTech on top of it. Like, it's pretty much decked out. This is not I have a brace on there. I don't have a stock. So yeah, it is an SBR. I was thinking about getting a tax stamp, but and also trying to get me some silencer, can, whatever you guys want to call it. I know there's a big fight on the internet on how people want to call it. I don't even know. But yeah, I should have gotten the can a very long time ago. I've had this rifle for a very long time. Talking about years, close to 5 years or so. But anytime I want to file for the the tax stamp to get my my can, it just something about it just turns me off. But anytime that I pick up the PPU to the range or elsewhere, I started regretting, like, oh man, maybe I should have go ahead and file for it. So I don't know. But since I moved here, I've been trying to look for an outdoor range. I can't find one. By the way, I live in Georgia. So if anybody around here, if you know any outdoor range in this, area, just hit me up. I would love to go out with you and go do some, stuff. And also, sometime last week, I did something that I wanted to do for a very, very long time, and I've been procrastinating. And also, I've been thinking, is this something that I really, really want to do? But I went ahead and pulled the trigger last week. And you might ask me, like, what are you talking about? Well, I collected a lot of PPUs over the years, a lot. I still have a good amount in the house that I still own, but it was way too much. I mean, you don't get to, at the end of the day, you can only shoot one. So I made a decision to, to get rid of them. It hurt, but I did. And then I left with the ones that I, actually love, and the ones that I see myself using, just in case shit hit the fan. I was trying to be nice, but I guess that's the best way for me to say it. But yeah, I pulled the trigger. So I have a few that I'm gonna hold on to that. But yeah, I wanted to see how I can incorporate this PPU and the rest of that I have into my content that I create here. I mean, it's empty, so I don't have if I have a tripod here, I probably would have shown you, but it's empty, believe it or not. Yeah, and if you guys are gonna be interested, just let me know, and I can give you the full rundown on what I have here, and then I'll start incorporating with with my content. But yeah, I would love to find me a outdoor range around here, back home in Delaware, in Maryland, and then in Jersey. We have a spot that we go there, that you can pretty much do whatever you want to do. But over here, I think I found only one outdoor, actually two of them, but one of them is closed. They shut it down due to some kind of accident they had. And then the other one that I found close by, it was a lot. They have a whole lot of conditions and the fees. I really don't care about the fees, but the policies that they have over there, and sometimes you got to go and cut the grass and do this, and I'm like, nah. One of my buddies found one for me, which is close to Alabama border. Yeah, which is close to Alabama border. Yeah, Bama border. But we haven't gotten a chance to, actually visit the place to, to see how it looked like. It's one of his buddies. They have a big land over there that they actually invited me to go. But I've been very busy with the holiday season and all that kind of stuff that has been going on. Now that the holiday is almost over, maybe. But, I just don't want to drive too far away from my house. or ride. I don't even think I can, anyway, never mind. So let me know if you guys are gonna if you guys gonna be interested when I add up a PP content with motorcycle, the 2 wheels, because I really don't have a niche, and I try not to have a niche because I don't want to get stuck with only one thing. I want to have the freedom so I can pretty much do whatever that I want to do. So yeah, let me know. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take this beauty here, and we're gonna be heading to the range and do some mock damp. And hopefully, I don't even think the range will allow me to film inside. I would have taken you guys with me, but yeah, this is my story. I wasn't able to film on the bike today because my body says no. I have a health issues, so sometimes you just have to listen to the inner self, and you just have to listen. And I'm really listening to my inner self. I mean, tomorrow is gonna be beautiful, so I might hop on the bike and then I'll give you guys some content, because I have some stuff that I really need to let it out. Something funny that I've realized, and I want to let it out. I want to talk to you guys, and then hear your opinions and all that. But yeah, this is my PPU. I ain't got no name for it, but I love it. It does the job. That's the Daniel Defense Mark 18. I have a really expensive stuff on there, and it's very reliable. Don't know what else to say about it, but again, if you guys are interested, just let me know. I'll give you guys the total rundown, pretty much everything that I have on there, and then we can do some content in addition to the 2 wheels that I'm known for. So I'm signing out. Catch up with you guys later. Leave comment in the description, and then we'll talk soon.